What happens if Wealthsimple goes out of business? That's a question a lot of you are probably thinking about, especially if you've got a chunk of your hard-earned cash tied up in there. It's a scary thought, right? Your money, your future, potentially up in smoke. So, let's dive in. First off, let's get real. No company is invincible. Not even the tech giants. So, it's not impossible for Wealthsimple to go belly up. But before we start panicking, let's understand what Wealthsimple actually is. It's essentially a digital platform that connects you with investments. It's not a bank, and it doesn't hold your money directly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your money, when you invest through Wealthsimple, is actually held by a custodian. Think of it like a safe deposit box at a bank. Wealthsimple is just the key that lets you access it. So, even if Wealthsimple were to suddenly disappear, your money is still there, safe and sound. But there's a catch. While your money is safe, getting it back might be a bit of a hassle. You'll have to deal with the custodian directly, which could involve paperwork, delays, and potential fees. It's not the end of the world, but it's definitely not ideal. Another thing to consider is the type of investments you have. If you're in stocks, bonds, or ETFs, you're generally okay. These are liquid assets, meaning they can be easily converted to cash. However, if you're in alternative investments like real estate or private equity through Wealthsimple, things could get a bit more complicated. These investments can be less liquid, and it might take longer to get your money back. So, what about the protection stuff you hear about? Well, Wealthsimple Investments is a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF. This means that if Wealthsimple goes under, you might be eligible for compensation for some of your losses. But it's important to note that this protection has limits. It doesn't cover everything, and the process of claiming compensation can be lengthy. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. If you're heavily reliant on a single platform for your investments, you're taking a risk. Diversification is key. Spread your money across different platforms, different asset classes. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. And remember, investing always carries risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. What goes up can also go down. So, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the investments you're making, and have a solid financial plan in place. So, to sum it up, while it's unlikely, the possibility of Wealthsimple going out of business isn't zero. Your money is generally safe, but getting it back might be a hassle. Diversification is your best friend, and understanding the risks involved is crucial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.